Hey guys, welcome back Natsprati, and today I'm gonna be telling you that special community which was unlocked when I became a premium member on Reddit. So guys, the message that Reddit sent was your submission has been given the golden award. And then it was given to me by the user Real Will Guy Liver. If sorry if I spelled your name wrong, but he has liked my submission so much that he has given me the golden award. As a reward, you get some special flair on your submission. Additionally, you get 100 coins and a week of long access and ad-free browsing. So guys, our long is a community which I will show you after a few seconds after reading this message. So it's a community where it unlocks when you become a premium member, and it's only for premium members. As I am a premium member a week after I got the golden award, so now I have access for it for a week only. So how long is a community access and ad-free browsing, so I won't get any ads, I won't be disturbed from any ads and those kind of stuff. And then buy very premium for these benefits, so you will and also you will get these benefits if you become a premium Reddit member. So I became premium for free. I didn't buy it, but if you're gonna buy it, then you will experience Reddit ad free on the web and app, access the members only ROM, which is the community that I told you before, and then buy the monthly premium subscription for an additional 700 coins every month to reward extraordinary contribution. So you can get 700 additional coins for free and then award it to others, maybe give away to you guys. So I'm gonna be giving this away 100 coins to one of you guys. All you have to do is like and subscribe and comment down below if you need this I mean the 100 coins or not, and then I will reach out to you, and then you can send me the link of your post, and then I'm gonna be giving that away. So I will do it in another short. I will tell you the full thing that you need to do to enter this giveaway. So yeah, and then how to use your coins. You can use your coins to give awards to posts and comments. That's what I told you before. Now, so let's jump into the community. So I'm gonna click this, and then wait a second. So it's loading. As you can see it next to the favicon, they say the Reddit Premier log. So I have not joined it, but I have posted something. Let me go to my premium, the profile, and then profile. So guys, this is a community that unlocks when you become a premium member. So if I go down, scroll down here, and then see one of the profiles of anybody, you can see that they are let me click this. I don't know why, but it's so slow. Okay, it's not slow. And this is the post that I posted in this one with 8 upvotes. So the Reddit premium, see, as you can clearly see, if I go over the username, that glows in gold color. So that glows in gold, that means he's a premium member. And oh my gosh, he's been a Reddit person for 9 years. That's a long period. I only been only for 7 months or 9 months, as I remember. So these everybody are premium members. As I go to another person's account, wait a second. I don't know why it doesn't show the a golden member. That means a premium member. So everybody in here is a premium member, and well as me. But tomorrow it goes away on 19th May. I'm gonna be showing you that message which was sent to me, notifications, messages, and then here's the message that Reddit sent me. What is this? Okay, sorry guys, but anyway, the second message which was sent by Reddit to me was saying that your Reddit premium subscription is about to expire. So the same thing is shown here, and then they are saying click it for details on how to set up and automatically renew subscription or to renew it. So that message, that part is to the ones who are buying the buying the Reddit premium, and if so, then you can click there to make it automatic. But I'm not buying it because I don't think it is worth it to buy, and the reason why I'm telling that is in the next video. Watch it, maybe not the next video, but maybe the video after. But somehow let's get back to the message. And further it says that if you have any thoughts, complaints, rants, or suggestions about Reddit Premium, please write to us at premiumsupport@reddit.com. Your feedback would be appreciated. Thank you for your past patronage. So guys, they are saying that thank you for being a premium member. So somehow today night this mark will be gone. So maybe I'm also planning to do a video about before and after of being a Reddit premium member, and what are the pros and cons of being a premium member. So watch the video if you are watching this video like 1 month ago, so you can watch it soon from my channel. And then if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a like in this video, and catch you in the next video.
She steady dripping Sailor on, she got the perfect face, thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like